Looking for a natural powerhouse that supports energy, heart health, and skin glow? Say hello to Beetroot. Discover why Beetroot should be your next health booster, packed with benefits that you won't want to miss. Beetroot is more than just a colorful veggie. It's packed with nutrients like folate, manganese, potassium, and vitamin C, all essential for a healthy lifestyle. The unique red color comes from betalains, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells. Top health benefits of beetroot. 1. Boosts energy and stamina. If you're looking to boost your stamina and energy, beetroot is the secret. Its natural nitrates improve blood flow and oxygen use, making it a favorite of athletes worldwide. Just a glass of beetroot juice can supercharge your workout. 2. Supports heart health. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which help lower blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. Studies show that beetroot juice can help reduce blood pressure, giving your heart the care it needs. 3. Improves skin glow and radiance. Want glowing skin naturally? Beetroot's antioxidants help protect against free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. No wonder it's a beauty secret for natural radiance. 4. Aids in detoxification. Beetroot contains betaine, which supports liver function and aids detoxification. Adding beetroot to your diet can help cleanse the body and promote a natural detox, keeping you refreshed from within. 5. Supports brain health. With age, brain health becomes crucial, and beetroot has been found to improve blood flow to the brain, potentially reducing the risk of dementia. It's a brain booster you'll love. Not sure how to add beetroot to your meals? Here are some easy and delicious ways to enjoy beetroot every day. Blend fresh beetroot into smoothies for an energy boost. Enjoy beetroot juice to reap the full benefits. Roast or add sliced beetroot to salads for added color and nutrients. Make beetroot hummus or add grated beetroot to soups for an earthy flavor. Here's a fun fact. In ancient times, beetroot was used as an aphrodisiac. Its natural nitrates and boron content may enhance blood flow and impact hormones. Fascinating, right? If you're excited to try beetroot and want more health secrets, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more natural wellness tips.